Hi and welcome to our 3-day Build Your Own Online Store Challenge. I'm Stian and I'm excited to show you how to build an e-commerce site from scratch so that you can get your business online and start selling your products in the next few days. Your website will look like this and I'm going to teach you how to set it up step by step. You'll be able to add your own logo, images, pages and products, and the site will be 100% mobile friendly. Your customers will be able to browse your products, view individual products, add to cart, checkout, and pay online. At the end of this challenge, you'll not only have your business online, you'll also know how to manage your website so that you don't have to pay expensive rates for someone else to do it for you. Building an online store is not rocket science. You don't need to know how to code and you don't need to have any prior experience. You just need to be able to follow along with me step by step. If you need an online store for your business, but you're not sure where to start, then click the link below to join this free 3-day challenge and you'll get instructional videos delivered to your inbox.